Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey, I'm K.monae.business and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another T-part wig, but this is a closure T-part wig. And I'm going to be answering some of you guys' questions from the last video because there was a lot of comments and I want to answer most of the questions. So you guys have asked me about customizing the T-part wig. So I did customize the last wig, but that was a whole frontal T-part wig. This is a closure wig, but I do just the same thing. I just pluck the hairline, but just a little bit. You don't want to OD because then the tracks will start showing, because the track is literally right behind the hairline. So just pluck to a minimum, and then I pluck the part. So the part on the T-part wigs look real, like they look bad, so you need to pluck them for it to look more realistic. Some of the T-part wigs come with that little fake scalp in the inside. I personally take it off, and that's what I did in this video, so you'll see me do that. But yeah, so this video I just want to answer most of you guys' questions. You guys can listen and watch the video still, but that's what I'm gonna be doing, answering some questions. So question number one, we're just gonna say question number one. But the first question was, do I recommend T-part wigs? So yeah, if you want a middle part, if you're a middle part type of girl, I do recommend them because it's an easy, and if you want to put your wigs on by yourself, this is the easy way to do that because the part is already in the middle. All you got to do is just fix the part up, make it look realistic like I'm doing right now. And you don't got to pluck too much of the hairline. This is a good wig for beginners, I guess, but I do recommend it if you just want the middle part. Next question, the part goes to the next question. So the next question was, can you do a side part with this hair? So I haven't tried that, but if you have a closure wig and maybe you turn it to the side, it can, a side part can be achieved like that, because I know some people do that to the closure wigs, like closure regular wigs. So I'm pretty sure you could get a side part with this wig. You're just gonna have a straight side part, like you get it like a straight part, because you know how sometimes side parts have like that little curve to it. So I'm guessing, yeah, you can have a side part with this wig. People were asking why are T-part wigs getting sent out. At first, in the first video, I really didn't know either, but they said that the demand is low with with the frontal wig, so this is what they're sending out. Another question was, what was the frontal measurements? And it's definitely 4x1. So T-part wigs are 4x1. I'm not sure if you could get a 6x1. You probably could, but look that up and let me know. Comment down in the comment section. Another question was, were you able to bleach the knots? Yes, I was definitely able to bleach the knots on this wig. I just literally did the T-part, like the little line, the part, and then a hairline in the front. So that's how I bleached that. I was able to bleach it. Another question is, what did I use my baby hairs? In my videos, sometimes I use Got To Be Gel, the black bottle. Somebody asked, before you did the wig, did you wet it? If it's straight, no. Only reason why I would be wet is because I would be washing out the bleach, but the whole wig wouldn't be wet. Just the front part would be wet because I don't get the whole wig wet when I wash the bleach off. But yeah, I don't wet the whole thing just purposely. It's getting wet because I'm washing the bleach off. Another question was, can I do a half up, half down with my middle part? So I said no, because a T-part wig, if you know how a T-part wig is just basically tracks everywhere. So if you try to achieve a half up, half down, I don't know how you can achieve this without your tracks showing. But I haven't tried it yet. It's just a mind thing. I'm thinking about it and I don't see it happening. But if you see it happening or you seen the video, please let me know down in the comment section, because I'm actually look some up myself. But that was my answer, was no. But then everybody was in the comments saying how can't you, why can't you, stuff like that. I mean, to each his own. If y'all like the way it look with a half up, half down with a T-part wig, I don't think I would like the way it look. So yeah, if y'all ever seen that before, comment down below in the comment section. Okay, so I just looked up T-part half up, half down, and I didn't see any videos. But like I said, if y'all seen it before or y'all got it done before, y'all liked it, comment down below in the comment section. But that's it for the questions. I'm gonna just let y'all continue watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys at the end of this video. One more thing before I go. If y'all see me in that mirror looking crusty, it's because I've been working all day. This was my last client and she was my best friend, so that's why I did her hair this late. But do not mind me, I had a long day. That bob is coming out and everything. But I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this video. Okay guys, so this video is coming to an end. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below anything that you need to ask me, because I might do another video like this with answering more questions. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.